The Business Consultancy Project course provides our students with a unique opportunity to develop their skills while solving real business challenges in collaboration with top companies such as Grand Hyatt Barcelona.
The EU students today were very enthusiastic, very energetic. They came with a lot of set of skills that they showcased throughout the entire presentations, and it was just a joy to watch it all come together.
I think that it's important for students to join this sort of projects because it bridges the gap between classroom theory and real-world experience. With projects like this, you actually have to apply yourself, take on clients' expectations, real deadlines, and probably do weather forecasting to really provide a solution for them.
I think it's important to take part of projects like this because you get real-world experience and you really get to deep dive into a company and learn more about it and how a real business works.
It's very encouraging as a student for us to do this because we feel a little bit more ready to actually work in the business world.
At Grand Hyatt Barcelona, we had a lot of good experiences with students and people from EU Business School in general, and it was a great collaboration because these students come with a lot of motivation and with a lot of creative thinking and with a lot of experimental mindset, and we really like that.
I believe that doing the Business Consultancy project allows us to understand how these companies actually work, develop these projects and present them to the company itself, so we can see their main takeaways, what they think of the project, and if it's doable or not. One
key takeaway from my project was definitely having the confidence in my abilities to actually execute a project.
The guidance was beyond amazing. You have a professor that is with you from the beginning until the very end of this whole project.